evening. We are gathered here to give bid farewell to our batch of LAU students who have been doing clinical rotations with us from 2022 to 24. And most of you are here, some of you have still not appeared, but you all have been with us for the last 2 years. And this is the time to reflect upon what you've learned. It is an interesting time for all of you, a scary time for all of you to get out of the, the comfort of being in, just being a student and then moving on to becoming professionals very soon.
And heartiest congratulations. I think I'm sure all of you would be looking forward to this day for last few years, at least few months. And I do hope that you have gained what you came here for, both in terms of theoretical knowledge and clinical knowledge on the ground. What we want to now see you is that we should get back the news that this is the batch which has cleared the exit exam for those of you who want to come back to India and work here, or cleared the exams for your further professional career, whichever part of the world that might be. That would be the only ratification of efforts put by you and put by the faculty here.
So पढ़ते रहो, study hard, study smart. Never forget the teachers who have taught you. So I want all of you to get up, stand, and put your hands together for your teachers sitting in the front row, thanking them for all that they have done for you. Never forget, even if they fail you, even they shout at you, even they get angry with you, it is for your benefit. It is not for their benefit. They can simply let you loose, go ahead, do whatever you want to do. But they do it because they see a career in you. Okay? Please sit down. God bless you all. Be happy, study hard, study smart. Get back to the university, appear for your exams, and make us proud. Okay? And thank you, Max, every one of you, for all that you've done for our kids. Thanks a lot. Jai Hind.
We were offered different clinical rotation opportunities, one being in Guyana itself and another one being in Nepal. Based off our convenience, we were asked to choose. The reason I chose Max as my center of rotation was because of the great exposure, opportunities, and the doctors, and the fact that they guide you very closely, be it your future career opportunities or even in-person clinical skills.
Further, we have 3 pathways to continue with. Either we give FMG and stay back in India, or we go with PLAB and USMLE. Our university has given amazing results, and further we can continue with any of the pathways that we would like to choose.
I am planning for FMGE, so I will be going for the June batch. So I have LAU has been very much helpful in this. The curriculum basis is matched for both for overseas studies as well as for domestic studies. So curriculum is very much helpful.
My choice for clinical rotations were Max Institute of so it was a very clear choice for me, although LAU provides other options as well, like Nepal, doing it in USA as well, doing it in Guyana, and obviously in India as well. My choice was clear because I want to pursue further in India. For people who want to pursue in US, can do their USMLE, and the university also guides us through that. And Lincoln American University has a tie-up with Max Institute, and it has helped me a lot because Max has very great professors as well as teachers and really good doctors who have helped me through this rotations. And also one thing that I learned here is the practical skills that we get to learn in Max rotations are way ahead of our course, and we get to learn way more than other students coming from other universities. So that's a very big plus point for us.